Simple, light, beautiful, mild, fragrant curry flavor. The sesame seeds are already toasted, so that gives a real beautiful flavor to my tuna dish. Right, easy as that, folks. How fast was that? Now it's time to plate. Chop more mayonnaise, just for the creaminess. Yeah, clam juice. And we'll finish that with a dashing of Parmesan cheese, just like so. These now are ready for the fire. Okay, so we're going to place them in the fire, right? And we leave that now until the bamboo gets black on all sides. That's rule of thumb that says the meat's cooked inside. Let's go and taste your black pudding.
Yeah.
Look at that. That looks like a big joint, huh? Yeah. But we are in the Caribbean. Rule of thumb with bamboo, normally with everything. Now, proofs in the pudding, if it's really true all the time, and I've been cooking with bamboo for years. If it's black like that, it's cooked.
Okay.
Right, let's have a look.
Agárrale la estructura esta tú, Robbie. No mames, no alcanzo.
Alcánzale, está abajo.
Nada más guíalo, nada más. 1, 2, 3. Guíalo, Chef, guíalo. Ahí.
Okay, I'm not tall enough. This side. Somebody come this side.
Guía el de allá.
Oh shit.
Bravo. Let's go. Así puedes.
Atrás.
Dale.
Mucha carne.
México. ¡Viva México! Para poner una ahí. Una.
32 degrees, a bit more to go. Okay, so this is the time where you would say at home, I'm going to pop these in the oven. In my case, I'm going to pop them in the oven. My oven is here. This nice little triangle of wood. So we're going to pop this in the middle here. And you may say, why am I going to pop this there and not there? And the reason why I have a rice sat on my cooking table is for that reason. The duck gets covered in rice husks, just like so. Okay? Place this, let the wood burn a little bit. Now we burn the side of the rice husk, and forgive me, I'm out of breath. That is heavier than it looks. We then put the wood that's burning charcoal on top and leave this for about 4 hours to 5 hours. Okay, there we go. Whew. Have we got the? I'm out of breath. Okay, let's have a look.
Wow, look at that. All right.
Let me have a smell. Whew. Very nice. Wow. My duck is smelling delicious. Look at that. Wow. All that effort. Comfy. Look at that. It's actually falling apart. This is how beautiful that is. Look at that.
This one also.
Yeah.
Right.
Let's see how the rice comes out.
Yeah.
Oh. All right. How cool is that? And we just take this one, and it's amazing. Isn't that cool? Take a look at that. Woo. 4 hours, 5 hours about?
5 hours we waiting. So we have
Who
the,
wants a taste? I see your whole camera crew here really hungry. Yeah? You see this, guys?
I want to try my rice.
A little bit of glutinous rice with the duck confit. Bon appetit.
Maybe I can do learn. You push. Yes. Nhiều bên.
So if I can find some more like this, fantastic. I want to make my Balinese style chili crab.
Okay, we'll cook with the rice or crab with the rice.
So you're going to do with all the Balinese spices, like the 12, 15 spices, something like that.
And then spicy also.
Oh, very good. I look forward to that. If we can get out of this mud. Let's go and look for some more crabs.
Okay.
I want to, just playing with an idea, I cook with all kinds of things. I'm going to bring that and I'll cook the tilapia on that.
And I'll eat some of this.
Yeah, and you know, those shrimps, prawns you got this morning, maybe you do 1 or 2 dishes, you do a dish, I do a dish, how about that?
This is excellent. Wow.
The seaweed, how does it stink? Smell, isn't it?
Yeah.
So make sure you boil the crab out of the river water if you don't want to spend the rest of the day sitting on the loo. So we are now ready to add the ingredients to this dish. We're starting with the tamarind, all the vegetables, the spices, the garlic, the chili, the ginger and the turmeric. Anthony here is in for a real treat. The sourness from the tamarind.
Wow. Wow.
Nice. I'm surprised.
Wow. That's all I can say. Wow.
Follow me to the fire. It's time to see if my chicken's cooked. And there's no going back from this, so once you've opened it, you've opened it. So it's a one-shot stop, okay? Now it's time to prepare lunch.